Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Please let me know if you guys can see. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, uh, we will start from here about Amazon online arbitrage and wholesale. We have a complete set of lectures with the Amazon online arbitrage and PA wholesale. How we do, what is online arbitrage, what is Amazon wholesale, and I will tell you about the overview of seller centrals. And after that, I will give you tools we will use. Obviously, maybe some of you are familiar with that, and some of you are not with the familiar with that. I will, give you a practical work for this. So, what is online arbitrage? Online arbitrage is like that we are buying it from the retailers with some discounts, with some deals, and sell it on Amazon with some good profit. Yes, we have to know about the price history and all the analysis work. After that, we have to buy the product from the directly from the brand or directly from the on third party websites like Walmart, like Home Depot, and like BGS Wholesale, and plenty of other platforms. All those are retailers, so we have to buy from those retailers and sell it to the Amazon unless we have a profit in that. And what is Amazon wholesale? Amazon wholesale is a as a proper business, you can say that for that you need the LLC, your tax ID, resale certificate. You contract with the suppliers across the country. You can buy it from China or the other countries, but preferably we buy from the United States to reduce the shipping time, reduce the shipping cost, and all those things. So we will make contacts with the suppliers, wholesale suppliers, or directly with the distributors, or directly with the brands to get the wholesale account and do the sourcing from them. Okay, I will show you about the seller central. Maybe some of you are deal with the seller center before. It's a very really quick interface, Amazon interface. It's not really that difficult. When you see the products, like you use the Facebook, you use the WhatsApp, that is like the interface. Okay, just you have to do the messages, do the calls, talk with your friends, and like these things. And this is also the some kind of interface. You will see the different options in that. So all these options are not necessary for you to be familiar, but some of that you have to know that. So I'm just taking it from there. Okay, so this is the main interface. When you go here, it will show you the marketplaces. Now I am selling in three marketplaces in the United States, but normally I used to sell in the United States. I have open orders, 56 open orders already. When you got the order, it will show you here about the open orders. If this is the buyer messages tab, if some buyer sends you a message, it will pop up here. This is the buy box. When buy box is the I will open something here. Buy box is the buy box button, which we can get for a particular product, and I have been for one particular product for the 5% of that. I will show you about those. See, this buy now means that this is a buy box button. Okay, and this is the IPI score, how well you are selling in the Amazon. Amazon will rate you according to this IPI. So what we have to do, what we have to know, especially these things. This is a three lines we have to click here. All these tabs we have to use. Not all these, but we have to familiar with that. We have to use the catalog, we have to use the inventory, we have to use the orders, we have to use the advertising if we have a private label server, private label, or we are going to use do the advertising on wholesale on online arbitrage. But normally we do not advertise on the online arbitrage and the wholesale. We only advertise with the private label product. This is the stores growth reports. If you have working with the clients, if they are asking give me the business report, you can download a report from here. Performance, this will give you the account health, will give you the feedback, will give you the A to Z guarantee claims, chargeback claim, performance notification, voice of the customer. I will tell you about all these tabs. Partner network, there is not you need to familiar with that. B2B, again, there is no need with that. Brand, build, if you have a brand, build your brand, you can use this tab. Now in online arbitrage, we are buying, we are only buying from the okay. In online arbitrage, we are only buying from the brands, so we do not have to build our brand here. So I'm showing you what are the important tabs we have to know that. First is the catalog. We have to add products from here. This add catalog, add products, write the SIN. Next, the inventory, to see our inventory in the Amazon warehouse, which one is live, which one is not live. Another is thing is shipment. It will show you about the shipment plans you have created. This one is the orders. You will see like this order. You are all seeing these orders. So if you are going to manage this order, you will use this orders tab. But in Amazon FBA, Amazon take care of all these orders by himself, by their warehouse. We don't have to worry about this. If we are doing FBM, what is FBM and what is FBM? Okay, FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. We will buy our product sent to the Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will automatically ship our product when they got the order. And for the FBM, we will buy a product from the supplier. When we got an order to the Amazon Seller Central, it will pop up in the in the orders like here. See, these are FBA pending. If we are getting FBM order, then it will show you seller fulfilled pending. I am not doing the FBM. Mostly, most of the sellers are not doing the FBM. So in the FBM, the seller himself have to ship the order. But for the FBA, Amazon will ship the order and charge some fees. Okay. What is are the other things? Add product. I have shown you the how. I will show you how to add a product. uh, for the other thing, we have to know that inventory, manage all inventory, shipment plans. There are not concerned about all these other tabs. And the one more thing is about this particular tab: performance, account health, feedback, A to Z claim, chargeback claim, voice of the customer. This is the chargeback claim tab. When anyone found it the product like a difficult a damaged product, or a wrong transaction with their cards, it will give you the chargeback claim. Normally in the FBA business, in the online arbitrage and wholesale business, when you are shipping from the Amazon warehouse, you will not get any chargeback claims. It will only happen with the FBM. Same with the manage A to Z claims. It is the product claims, that the product is arrived or not, that the product is genuine or not, and all these things. Same, it will happen in the FBM, not with the FBA. This is the feedback manager. If you have any feedback, it will pop up here. Unluckily, I do not have the feedback right now. Normally, it will, the customer will give you the feedback per 100 products, but unfortunately, I didn't have any. I have like 700 plus sales in the past 3 4 months, but I do not have the feedback rating. So when a customer rates you, it will pop up here. If that is the negative review, it will pop up here. I will show you in the future how we will remove the negative feedback as well. This is the account health tab, you can see that my account is very healthy, and I do not have any, any intellectual property complaint or any complaint from the customer. So we have a very good healthy performance with the Amazon. So you have to see that. One thing is, another thing is voice of the customer. So all of my listing are excellent, fair. There is no any listing that is poor or like these things. All my products are really good to sell with. Okay. So this is the orientation for the seller central, and I will show you in this additional lecture that what is the tools we have to use. The tools which we have to use is the first is the seller amp. This is a paid tool. The second is the Keepa. This is also the paid tool. Third is the NordVPN. This is also the paid tool. DS Quick View. This is a free tool. Honey Cashback app. This is free. Rakuten Cashback app. That is free. JS Sales Estimator for calculating the sales. That is free. So as you are all my students, I will try to give you some of these paid tools as well. I will give you the seller amp. I will give you the seller amp. I will give you the NordVPN, and I request all of you that you can buy Keepa from from yourself. It is not a costly tool. You can buy it as a group of three. Like what is the price of Keepa? Let's check. Why it is showing $99? It is not the $99. Okay, it is showing a little wrong information here, but actually it comes with like 99 $19 or the $27. It is not that much costly. Okay, I will give you the another link for the discounted Keepa as well if you need that. So these are the basics. We have to use that. These are the tools I will show in my next lecture. What is the seller amp? What is the Keepa? What is the NordVPN? What is the DS Quick View? What is the Honey Cashback app? What is Rakuten? What is JS Sales Estimator? So I hope you are familiar with the online arbitrage. I hope you are familiar with the Amazon wholesale. I hope you are some kind of familiar with the seller center. I know this is not enough, but I will cover in the future as well. When I will give you the practical trainings, I will ask you to add the products. I will ask you to about create the shipment plans. So you will be familiar with that at that time. Now you have to you see that what is FBA, what is FBM. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon, and FBM is fulfilled by merchant. Merchant is you, the seller. So if you have any question, please let me know. Do you guys have any question for this lecture? None so far. Okay. And the other two, Shaira and Gilbert, please respond.
None so far.
Okay.
And so far, sir.
Okay, that's great. Actually, I'm not going to prolong this lecture just because it will mix up the things for you. So I will give you a little assignment. I will record this lecture. I will upload in the YouTube, and I will share a link for you guys. Okay, you can see the lecture again from there, and also subscribe that channel as well. Plus, one more thing, I will give you a little assignment on my each lectures. It's really easy for me when you get, when you see some videos, when you see some basic knowledge, you can easily understand what I'm saying, and you can easily questions with me what I'm trying to say you, and what you are trying to learn. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, what is the assignment? Please write all these tools: what Celeram, Keepa, DS Quick View, NordVPN, Honey Cashback. All you have to install all these tools. This is a Google one. You can use it from the Google. This is not the Google extension. Okay, please install all these tools: Celeram, Keepa, NordVPN, DS Quick View, Honey Cashback app, Rakuten. I will show you here what are these tools for just your knowledge. This is the Celeram. Okay, this is the Keepa. Okay, and the other thing is, this is the NordVPN. This is the PayPal Honey Cashback app, and this one is the Rakuten. And this one is the DS Quick View. In the next video, I will give you lecture on all these tools, why these tools are built up, why we have to use these tools, and why how the all these tools will how these tools will help our business. Okay, so now you have to install all these tools on your PC. I will share the logins of these tool: one, seller amp, NordVPN. I will give you the login detail of this one. Do not buy Keepa right now. After when I give you the lecture about the Keepa, about the Keepa analysis, after that I will ask you to purchase as a group of three, so you can divide the cost between all of you. Okay, so it is not a costly tool. Please don't be worried about that. Actually, I can give that, but too many logins can damage my Keepa. So I think you can understand that. And okay, this is the Amazon interface. This is the product interface. This is the ASIN of that particular product. Like you know about the SKU. SKU belongs to the seller, and ASIN belongs to the Amazon. So this is the listing of this particular tool. This is a seller M, which showing some details. Please turn off your mic. Thank you. So I will in the next lecture I will give you the lecture about how to use these tools, and after that I will give you a lecture on the Keepa analysis, how this price history matters, how this data tab matters, how this buy box statics matters, how these offers matters, all these things to just get the great knowledge of all these things. So I think that's enough for today. We have 35 minutes of lecture, and let's stop the recording first.